Hi guys, it's me, and today we're looking at a display made for creators who need absolute accuracy in their work. This isn't a casual entertainment screen or a standard 4K monitor. This is a tool built for people who handle high-level video production, photography, design, and color grading. When you're working on projects that demand precision, you need a display that doesn't second-guess itself, and that's exactly what this 31.1-inch 4K monitor is designed for. Right away, the resolution stands out. Instead of the usual UHD layout, this panel gives you true DCI 4K at 4096 by 2160. If you've ever edited cinematic footage, you know how important that extra width is. It means you're seeing your content in the proper aspect ratio without stretching or scaling. Everything feels natural and correctly proportioned, which is crucial for maintaining accuracy in a professional workflow. The matte finish on the panel is another major advantage. A lot of creators work in environments with different lighting conditions, and reflections can completely distort your perception of color. This display avoids that issue by cutting glare almost entirely. The result is a clean image with consistent tones no matter what's happening around you. One of the most impressive parts of this monitor is the built-in hardware calibration. Instead of using separate calibration devices, the monitor uses an integrated sensor that automatically pops out and adjusts the display. It runs on a schedule, so your color accuracy stays stable without you even thinking about it. This level of consistency is something professionals rely on because drifting color can lead to mistakes, especially during long editing sessions. Color accuracy is where this display really shows its strength. With wide gamut support for Adobe RGB and DCI-P3, you get access to the kind of color richness needed for high-end editing. Subtle gradients, deep shadows, and fine details all appear exactly as they should. This helps you produce content that stays faithful to your vision from the editing stage all the way to final delivery. The uniformity correction built into this monitor ensures that brightness and color look the same from corner to corner. When you're working with large visuals or wide shots, you need consistency across the entire screen. Even after hours of use, the monitor stabilizes quickly and maintains its performance without shifts in temperature or brightness. The monitor includes HDMI and DisplayPort connections for modern workstations, along with USB ports for accessories. It supports HDR formats like HLG and PQ, making it compatible with advanced workflows in both broadcast and cinematic production. The shading hood included with the display blocks out ambient light, helping you stay focused on your work and keeping the viewing environment controlled. This display is built for people who want reliability above everything else. When every pixel matters, you need a monitor that shows you exactly what your camera captured. This is the kind of tool that professionals invest in because it strengthens the entire creative process. It delivers clarity, consistency, and accuracy that last for years. If you want a display that elevates your creative workflow and gives you confidence in every project, the link is available in the description. It's a high-end choice, but for creators who demand the best, it delivers on every promise.